Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're thrilled to present the top 7 best RC planes available on AliExpress. These models have been handpicked for their outstanding quality, exceptional performance, affordability, and durability. We've also considered user feedback and overall popularity to ensure you get the best recommendations. For detailed information and product links, check out the description below. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay tuned for more exciting reviews. Now, let's get started. Number 7. Original Hot WLtoys XK-A160 RC Plane. Looking for a high-performance RC aircraft? Check out the original Hot WLtoys XK-A160 RC airplane. This 5-channel fixed-wing aircraft comes equipped with a powerful brushless motor for smooth, efficient flights. It offers impressive 3D 6G flight modes, allowing you to easily switch between beginner-friendly stability and advanced aerobatics for an exhilarating experience. Whether you're a seasoned hobbyist or just starting out, the A160's remote control system ensures precise handling and long-range control. Built with durable materials, it can withstand the rigors of outdoor flying, providing both reliability and longevity. Ideal for anyone looking to take their RC flying to the next level, this plane is a must-have. Don't miss out. Order yours today and experience the thrill of flight. Number 6. FX620 SU35 RC Remote Control Airplane. Introducing the FX620 SU35 RC Remote Control Airplane, a must-have for aviation enthusiasts and kids alike. This 2.4G remote control fighter plane offers precise and stable control, ensuring a seamless flying experience even over longer distances. Its body is made of durable yet lightweight EPP foam, providing excellent resistance to crashes while ensuring easy handling. The aerodynamic design enhances flight stability and speed, making it perfect for beginners and experienced pilots. With its realistic fighter jet look, this RC airplane stands out as both a fun toy and a hobbyist's dream. Ideal as a gift for kids or aviation lovers, this glider guarantees hours of exciting entertainment. Take to the skies with the FX620 SU35 today. Number 5. 3D Mercury RC Plane. Take your RC flying to the next level with the 3D Mercury Fixed-Wing Aerobatic Magic Board plane. This RC airplane is perfect for hobbyists and enthusiasts who love speed, agility, and precision. Crafted with durable materials, this K-kit is designed for DIY assembly, offering the satisfaction of building your own high-performance plane. Its advanced aerobatic capabilities allow for stunning stunts, loops, and rolls, making every flight an adventure. The sleek, aerodynamic design ensures smooth flights and exceptional control. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or just starting out, this plane is perfect for honing your skills and enjoying hours of excitement. Upgrade your RC collection with this incredible flying machine today. Number 4. RC Plane SU35. Experience the thrill of flying with the RC Plane SU35 glider, an exciting and ready-to-fly model perfect for kids and aviation enthusiasts alike. This radio-controlled airplane features a sleek design and durable construction, offering stable flights and smooth glides. Its lightweight frame ensures easy maneuverability, while the RTF ready-to-fly assembly makes it ideal for beginners. No complicated setup required. Equipped with advanced radio control technology, it provides a strong and stable signal for enhanced flying experience. Whether you're gifting it for Christmas or indulging in a new hobby, this UAV model is a fantastic choice. With realistic details and impressive performance, the SU35 is your ticket to unforgettable flying adventures. Order yours today and soar to new heights. Number 3. RC F22 Stunt 2.4G Glider EPP Foam Plane for Kids. Unleash the thrill of flight with the RC Plane F22 Stunts plane, a perfect blend of technology, durability, and fun. Equipped with 2.4G radio control, it offers a responsive and stable connection, ensuring seamless control even over long distances. Designed for 3D stunts, this glider lets you perform impressive aerial tricks with ease, making it ideal for both beginners and seasoned pilots. Its body is crafted from lightweight EPP foam, providing durability to withstand impacts while keeping it easy to handle. The aerodynamic design ensures smooth flights, even in light winds. Whether as a gift for children or a fun toy for hobbyists, this F22 Stunts plane guarantees hours of outdoor excitement. Ready to fly? Order now and soar to new heights. Number 2. FX9630 RC J-20 fighter glider. Take your flying experience to the next level with the FX9630 RC Plane J-20 fighter. This remote control airplane is a true marvel, combining sleek fighter jet aesthetics with exceptional functionality. Crafted with an anti-collision soft rubber head, it's designed for durability, making it perfect for beginners and advanced users alike. The culvert design enhances aerodynamic performance, ensuring smoother, more stable flights. Powered by a reliable remote control system, this plane offers precise handling and responsiveness, making every flight feel like a real mission. Lightweight yet robust, it's easy to carry and resistant to minor crashes. Ideal as a gift or a hobby upgrade, the FX9630 delivers endless fun and excitement. Get yours today and dominate the skies. Number 1. RC Plane SU27 Aircraft Remote Control. Introducing the RC Plane SU27 aircraft, a perfect blend of fun, technology, and durability. Designed with 2.4G remote control technology, it provides seamless operation and a strong connection, allowing you to enjoy uninterrupted flights. Built from EPP foam, this aircraft is ultra-lightweight yet incredibly durable, making it resistant to impacts and perfect for beginners and hobbyists alike. What sets it apart is its vertical takeoff and landing capability, offering a modern twist for easy operation, even in limited spaces. Its sleek, aerodynamic design mimics the legendary Su-27 fighter jet, adding a touch of realism. Ideal for kids and aviation enthusiasts, this RC plane makes an excellent gift. Take the skies and experience adventure today. Get yours now.
Carefully selected based on our personal research, ratings, reviews, quality, and durability to ensure the best choices for you. We hope this video has been helpful. If you found it useful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Stay tuned for more amazing product reviews, and thank you for watching.